This is how to slice a Trader Joe's babka. So it comes in this nice package. We break the seal, and you'll see it comes in this nice liner. This is made with liquid chocolate and has eggs in it, so it's very sticky. So you might intuitively want to cut it like this in the tray that it's baked in, but wait, there's a better way. So we're going to release the babka from its tray. You might have to cut here and cut here. And then on the bottom, very gently, we're going to just go underneath the babka and make sure that it is not sticking to the tray. So make sure you can make a clean sweep with the knife underneath the babka. Now, here's the trick. We're gonna turn it upside down, okay? And we're gonna use our liner to make the perfect size slice. And we're gonna use a serrated knife and just saw gently down. One slice, two slices, three slices. It should be about 12. There's 5. We're halfway through. How am I doing? It's nice to do this at the table too. Your guests will be entertained. So much so they'll want to make a video. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. And now you have a perfectly sliced babka and no sticky hands.